When I started the course, I realized that there are very few, if any, course that's been delivered like this.
It's the first program that I have seen that was open to the general public, that brought African scholars to talk about African economics and history from an African perspective.
I think what stands out about this course is that it's open access, meaning that it is open for anybody in the world who wants to attend. And this led to a crowd of people that was extremely international.
The fact that this was delivered online via Zoom means many more people were brought to the table.
Well, the course is quite intensive. Looking at the period that we've had, 15 weeks, the amount of information shared has been just phenomenal.
This course was particularly enlightening in that it exposed me to concepts I had not thought about before, especially as an African who has grown up on 3 different countries. It was great to see the journey of these countries through a different lens, both academic and anecdotal, to pull the stories together.
You know, I find that many of the problems in Africa today are legacies of the past, of, you know, historic institutions or historic conflicts or residues from colonialism, and it's very important to have if you want to change that and you want to, you know, put the society on a new path, then it's very important to have a clear understanding of what those legacies are and how they manifest themselves, so that you can get rid of them and change them.
The topics are so varied. They're orchestrated in a way that courageous conversations and debates are held. There are no sacred cows. So if it's historical and it's to be discussed, it is discussed and it's unpacked.
I think a course like this is important because it links all the levels of the economics profession with a multidisciplinary approach and with a wide range of scholars in economics and in related fields to take a historical approach to the contemporary problems of Africa.
To have such expertise delivering their information weekly from a different perspective, interdisciplinary, was a absolute treat.
My favorite part about the course was the fact that different points of view were brought together. We saw differing insights, different research to support certain points.
My favorite moment was when I looked up and I looked at the number of participants that were on the call in one of the sessions, and the number was well over 800.
I would very much recommend this course to anyone who's interested in Africa, anyone who's interested in history.
I enjoyed it so much that my problem now is what am I going to do when this class is over?
But I'm very much in support of and grateful for what you guys have done, and it has certainly helped me in terms of my direction going forward.